Here's a quick, detailed review of the WAEKIYTL Snakebite Kit, Bee Sting Kit, Emergency First Aid Supplies, Venom Extractor Suction Pump. Let's dive into what makes this kit a must-have for outdoor lovers. Imagine you're out hiking, camping, or fishing, and suddenly you or someone with you is bitten or stung by a snake, bee, or wasp. That's where this WAEKIYTL Snakebite Kit comes in. It's a compact, lightweight kit designed specifically to help extract venom quickly and effectively, making it perfect for on-the-go first aid when you're out in nature. This kit is packed with practical features that make it super handy in emergencies. Here's what's included: Venom Extractor Suction Pump. This pump is designed to physically draw out venom right at the surface, giving you a better shot at reducing the venom's effects. It's a completely physical tool, no batteries or chemicals required. 2 sizes of extraction cups. Different bites need different approaches, so this kit includes 2 sizes of suction cups. This flexibility helps you treat different types of bites or stings on different areas of the body. Tourniquet and bonus CPR shield. The tourniquet helps slow down venom spread in severe cases, and the CPR shield adds an extra level of emergency readiness. Durable, compact case. All of these pieces fit neatly into a hard shell, compact case that slips right into a backpack or glove box. Using the kit is straightforward and doesn't take a medical degree to operate. Choose the right cup. Select the extraction cup that best matches the bite or sting size. Set up the pump. Pull the handle to prime the suction pump. Position and press. Place the suction cup over the affected area, then push the handle down to start drawing the venom. This simple, 4-step process can be done with one hand if needed, so it's manageable even if you're alone. Now, what do customers think? Many love this kit as a just-in-case tool that offers peace of mind. Reviewers have praised its ease of use, compact size, and solid construction. Users particularly appreciate that the suction power holds up well, providing strong, steady extraction. However, some reviews mention that while it's highly effective for surface-level bites, it may not be as efficient for bites where venom goes deeper. So, it's a good first line of defense, but professional medical care is still essential after use. In summary, this WAEKIYTL Snakebite and Bee Sting Kit is a smart addition to any outdoor gear set. It's easy to use, portable, and could be a true lifesaver in an emergency. For anyone venturing out where bites and stings are a risk, this $16.99 kit is a worthwhile investment. So, if you're looking to make your next outdoor adventure a little safer, this compact, user-friendly kit could be just what you need. You'll find the Amazon link in the description of this video.